Ahoy, Captain Peekaboo. It's nice to see you.
Oh, ahoy, King Matey. I'm glad that I'm here today, too, because I would like to do a song with ye, matey.
Really?
Yes. Would that be okay, Dolphin? Swan?
Honk, honk.
Turtle?
Derp, derp.
Okay. He's a new guy. I don't know where he came from, but he does go
Derp, derp for no reason. Derp, derp.
Yep.
Okay, I'm really confused. After all, turtles are endangered species after all.
Yeah, I felt bad for the mateys. Oh well, let's do a song, matey.
Okay, Captain Peekaboo, you do the words, and we'll listen in to the song.
Good idea, matey. Great idea indeed. And before we do the song, Keaton, how is your day so far?
Well, it's been doing so successful.
Successful? What are you talking about?
Well, you see, Captain Peekaboo, just think how amazing it is that I have 91 subscribers.
91? That's a boatload of subscribers.
Yes, and if we reach 100, we're going to be famous.
Matey, there's nothing but fame in the world, right?
Yes. So are you ready to sing, Captain?
Oh, I sure am. Here we go. Ahoy, mateys. I'm Captain Peekaboo. Let's all sail out to sea together. A sailor went sailing out to the ocean. The sailor went sailing out to sea. A sailor went sailing out to the ocean and had so much fun out there, you see. Sailing, sailing, sailing is fun just for me, for me. Sailing, sailing, I love to go sailing out to sea. Well, blow me down. Whoa! Ugh. Didn't mean literally.
Wow, Captain Peekaboo, are you okay?
Oh, I'm fine, Keaton. I'm a sailor like...
Uh-oh, Captain Peekaboo. Oh no, he fell into the water. Oh no, what do I do? Do I jump in? No, that would be dangerous. Oh, poor Captain.
I'll save you, girl.
Uh-oh. Who needs Aquaman? Sorry, brah. Time for me to swim. Bye-bye. And remember, always wear a safety vest.
Oh, safety vests are important. Well, I'll just rest on my boat for now.
Oh, poor Captain Peekaboo. Am I right, David? David? Peekaboo! Ah! David, I'm just trying to be Captain Peekaboo. What? Tony! Oh, brother.